Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge for diffusion, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this Motorola. You need to begin by opening an app called Files. Then select Clean section at the bottom left corner of it. When you're ready, from here you need to choose Clean under Junk Files and tap on Clear in this pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my Motorola was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!